Papyrus Platform Online Training. What is Papyrus Platform and how does it enable enterprise communication management? Papyrus Platform and Enterprise Communication Management. What is Papyrus Platform? Papyrus Platform is a comprehensive enterprise communication and business process management (BPM) solution designed to streamline customer engagement, document management, and workflow automation. It integrates adaptive case management, AI-driven content analysis, and omni-channel communication to enable businesses to manage customer interactions effectively. How Papyrus enables enterprise communication management. Unified communication across channels. Supports print, email, SMS, web, mobile, social media, and chatbots in a single platform. Ensures consistent branding and messaging across all channels. Customer-centric personalization. Leverages AI and business rules to generate contextual and personalized communications. Provides interactive documents that adjust based on customer input. Automated document creation and management. Facilitates dynamic document composition, contracts, invoices, statements, etc. Automates template-based document generation, reducing manual effort. Workflow and case management. Implements adaptive case management, ACM, to manage customer service requests, claims, and disputes dynamically. Supports workflow automation to route documents and tasks efficiently. Compliance and governance. Ensures regulatory compliance, GDPR, HIPAA, ISO, with built-in audit trails and security policies. Manages data privacy and access control for sensitive information. Real-time analytics and insights. Provides AI-driven analytics for monitoring communication effectiveness. Helps optimize customer experience strategies through data-driven decision-making. How to design and automate business processes with Papyrus BPM? Designing and automating business processes with Papyrus BPM involves a structured approach that includes modeling, execution, monitoring, and optimization of business workflows. Here's a step-by-step guide to achieving effective process automation with Papyrus BPM. 1. Understanding Papyrus BPM. Papyrus BPM, Business Process Management, is an integrated solution for designing, executing, and optimizing business workflows. It supports adaptive case management, workflow automation, and real-time monitoring. Key features: no-code, low-code process modeling, adaptive case management, ACM, AI-driven decision-making, real-time collaboration, integration with legacy and cloud systems. 2. Process design in Papyrus BPM. A. Identify business requirements. Analyze your current manual or semi-automated workflows. Define business objectives and KPIs, key performance indicators. Identify roles, rules, and decision points. B. Use Papyrus BPM Designer. Utilize Papyrus Web Repository for process modeling. Drag and drop elements like tasks, decision points, event triggers, and human interactions. Define business rules using Papyrus Business Rule Engine. Use BPMN, Business Process Model and Notation, for standardized workflow modeling. C. Incorporate adaptive case management, ACM. Enable flexibility for users to handle cases dynamically. Define user-driven process variations. Use AI-driven decision-making for workflow automation. 3. Automating business processes. A. Workflow automation. Assign tasks to users, roles, or bots. Automate approvals, notifications, and escalations. Use event-driven triggers to initiate process flows. What are the key features of Papyrus Document Management System, DMS? Papyrus Document Management System, DMS, is a comprehensive solution designed for enterprise content management, document lifecycle management, and workflow automation. Here are the key features of the Papyrus DMS. 1. Enterprise Content Management, ECM. Centralized storage and management of documents. Support for structured and unstructured content. Secure access and role-based permissions. 2. Workflow automation and case management. Business process automation for document handling. Dynamic case management for adaptive workflows. Integration with BPM for workflow optimization. 3. Document lifecycle management. Version control and audit tracking. Retention policies and compliance management. Archiving and records management. 4. Multichannel document processing. Support for multiple input channels, email, fax, web, mobile. Output to various formats, PDF, XML, HTML, print. Automated document classification and indexing. 5. AI and machine learning capabilities. Intelligent data capture and OCR capabilities. Automated document classification and tagging. AI-driven content analysis and insights. 6. Integration and interoperability. Seamless integration with ERP, CRM, and other enterprise applications. API and web services support for custom integrations. Cloud, on-premise, and hybrid deployment options. 7. Security and compliance. Role-based access control, RBAC, and encryption. Compliance with GDPR, HIPAA, and other industry regulations. Digital signatures and audit trails for document verification. How to implement omnichannel customer communication with Papyrus CCM? Implementing omnichannel customer communication with Papyrus CCM, customer communication management, involves designing a seamless, consistent, and personalized customer experience across multiple touchpoints. Here's a structured approach to achieving this. 1. Define customer communication strategy. Identify customer touchpoints, email, SMS, chatbots, social media, web portals, print, etc. Define use cases, example, billing, notifications, customer support, personalized offers. Set up data-driven communication triggers. 2. Centralized content and template management. Use Papyrus Business Designer to create and manage reusable content blocks. Implement dynamic templates to ensure consistency across channels. Use business rules to personalize content based on customer data. 3. Integrate data sources for personalization. Connect Papyrus CCM with CRM, ERP, and other databases. Utilize AI and ML capabilities to analyze customer behavior and preferences. Apply real-time data for contextual messaging. 4. Enable multi-channel delivery. Configure Papyrus web portal for interactive customer engagement. Automate outbound communication via email, Papyrus email adapter. SMS, Papyrus SMS connector. Social media integration. Print and postal services. Mobile apps and web push notifications. Implement two-way communication for customer feedback and interaction. 5. Orchestrate customer journeys. Define event-driven workflows using Papyrus Adaptive Case Management, ACM. Automate responses based on customer actions, example, cart abandonment, support requests. Implement AI-driven chatbots for real-time conversations. How does Papyrus platform support adaptive case management, ACM? The Papyrus platform supports adaptive case management, ACM, by providing a flexible, goal-driven approach to case handling that allows users to dynamically adapt workflows and decision-making in real time. Here's how it supports ACM. 1. Dynamic case management. Unlike traditional BPM workflows, Papyrus ACM enables users to handle unstructured and unpredictable business processes. Users can create, modify, or restructure workflows dynamically based on changing case conditions. 2. Goal-oriented process execution. Instead of predefined steps, Papyrus ACM uses a goal-driven approach where users define objectives and the system suggests the best actions. This allows for real-time adjustments based on case progress and business context. 3. Integrated AI and machine learning. The platform utilizes AI-driven decision-making to recommend the next best steps. Machine learning helps analyze past case data to optimize future case handling. 4. Context-driven collaboration. Papyrus ACM provides a unified environment where teams can collaborate. Features like chat, document sharing, and case discussions enable real-time coordination between departments. 5. Adaptive user interfaces. The system offers customizable dashboards and role-based UIs to provide relevant information for case workers. Users can interact with the case data through an intuitive UI with drag-and-drop features. 6. Business rule engine and decision management. Cases can be driven by business rules and event triggers, ensuring compliance with policies while maintaining flexibility. The rule engine supports dynamic decision-making, allowing cases to evolve based on new data inputs. 7. Seamless integration with other systems. Papyrus ACM supports integration with ERP, CRM, and third-party applications via APIs and connectors. This ensures that case workers have access to all relevant data across enterprise systems. 8. Compliance and auditability. The platform tracks all case activities with an audit trail, ensuring regulatory compliance. Provides real-time monitoring and reporting to assess case performance and efficiency. 9. Omnichannel communication. Enables case handling across multiple channels like email, chat, SMS, social media, and customer portals. Ensures that all interactions are captured and linked to the case for a holistic view. What are the best practices for integrating Papyrus platform with other enterprise systems? Integrating Papyrus platform with other enterprise systems requires a strategic approach to ensure seamless data flow, interoperability, and optimal performance. Here are some best practices to consider. 1. Define clear integration objectives. Identify the key business processes that require integration. Determine what data needs to be exchanged and in what format. Establish success criteria for the integration project. 2. Leverage standard integration mechanisms. APIs and web services use RESTful SOAP APIs to enable real-time data exchange. Message queues, MQ utilize middleware like IBM MQ, RabbitMQ, or Apache Kafka for asynchronous communication. File-based integration implements secure file transfers, SFTP, FTPS, for batch processing. Database connectivity leverage ODBC JDBC to connect with relational databases. 3. Implement secure authentication and access control. Use OAuth 2.0, SAML, or OpenID Connect for secure API authentication. Define role-based access control, RBAC, to restrict unauthorized access. Encrypt sensitive data both in transit and at rest. 4. Use Enterprise Service Bus, ESB, for middleware integration. Implement an ESB solution, example MuleSoft, Apache Camel, WSO2, to manage multiple integrations centrally. Transform and route messages efficiently between systems. 5. Optimize data synchronization and consistency. Implement ETL, extract, transform, load, pipelines for periodic data synchronization. Use CDC, change data capture, mechanisms to update data in real time. Apply data validation rules to prevent inconsistencies. 6. Enable event-driven architecture for real-time processing. Utilize event-driven patterns with technologies like Kafka or AWS EventBridge. Define event triggers to automate business workflows. 7. Ensure high availability and scalability. Deploy load balancers to distribute API traffic efficiently. Use containerization, Docker, Kubernetes, to scale microservices. Implement failover mechanisms to ensure system reliability. How to ensure security and compliance in document processing with Papyrus. Ensuring security and compliance in document processing with Papyrus requires implementing robust security measures, access controls, and compliance frameworks. Here are the key best practices. 1. Access control and authentication. Implement role-based access control, RBAC, to restrict document access based on user roles. Use multi-factor authentication, MFA, for added security when accessing sensitive documents. Leverage Active Directory, AD, or LDAP for centralized user authentication. 2. Data encryption and protection. Encrypt documents both at rest and in transit using AES-256 encryption. Ensure secure document storage using protected repositories with access logging. Use digital signatures for document integrity and authenticity. 3. Compliance with regulations. Ensure compliance with GDPR, HIPAA, ISO 27001, and PCI DSS, depending on industry requirements. Enable audit trails to track document access, modifications, and approvals. Maintain document retention policies to prevent unauthorized deletion or modification. 4. Secure document workflow automation. Use secure workflow approvals with electronic signatures and traceability. Implement document classification to apply security policies based on sensitivity. Enable version control to track document changes over time. 5. Secure communication and integration. Use SSL TLS encryption for secure document transmission. Secure API endpoints for document exchange with OAuth 2.0 or SAML authentication. Apply data masking when integrating with third-party systems to prevent exposure of sensitive data. 6. Threat detection and prevention. Implement intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDPS, to monitor document access. Use AI-based anomaly detection to identify suspicious activities. Regularly patch and update the Papyrus platform to protect against vulnerabilities. 7. Employee awareness and training. Conduct regular security training for employees handling sensitive documents. Establish incident response protocols for data breaches or security threats. Perform regular compliance audits to ensure adherence to security policies. Why choose ProExcellency for Papyrus Platform online training? ProExcellency offers comprehensive online training for the Papyrus platform, designed to equip professionals with the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in their careers. Here are several reasons to choose ProExcellency for your Papyrus platform online training. Advanced online training. ProExcellency utilizes cutting-edge online training methodologies, ensuring that learners have access to the latest tools and resources for an effective learning experience. ProExcellency. Expert instructors. The training programs are led by subject matter experts with extensive industry experience, providing learners with in-depth insights and practical knowledge. ProExcellency. Flexible learning models. ProExcellency offers flexible commercial models, allowing learners to choose training schedules and payment plans that best suit their needs. ProExcellency. Customer-centric approach. The organization pays complete attention to customer requirements, tailoring training programs to meet specific learning objectives and career goals. ProExcellency. Competitive pricing. With a cost advantage of delivery from India, ProExcellency provides high-quality training at competitive prices, making it accessible to a wide range of professionals. ProExcellency. Proven customer satisfaction. ProExcellency has a track record of long-term customer relationships and proven customer satisfaction, as evidenced by positive reviews and testimonials. Thank you.